Welcome back to another video. Today we got the Home Depot weekly ad. Says April 25th through May 1st. As we're looking here, says today's the day for doing. We got a grill there for $159. I'm not gonna go over all these items because they're not tools. We're just gonna go over the tools, and we do have some power tools, by the way. So we got some garden tools here. Just click on it. Toro 22 high wheel self-propelled smart tow recliner gas recycler gas mower, $319. Got the Toro 22 self-propelled recycled gas mower, $279. Just the lower end. Toro 22 and high wheel self-propelled recycler gas mower, $289. Have you guys noticed that the mower prices have gone down? It's mainly due to the battery operated units, or like these, you know. But these have gone down a lot because nobody is buying them anymore, because everybody's going to the convenience of battery operated. That's what I noticed, at least within the last few years. Toro 22 and high wheel professional pace self-propelled smart tow recycler gas mower for $379. Then we got a blower here, Toro Power Jet 12 amp blower, $49.88. Seems like this one is battery operated, I think. I don't think it's gas. Then we got the battery operated. We got the Joby 40 volts 20-inch cordless mower with a 5 amp hour kit for $279, which is not a bad deal. Very competitive, especially if you got a small yard. That'll work perfect for you, so you're not really doing all that maintenance and buying gas and keeping up with that oil filter and the spark plug and stuff like that. So you got the Eagle 56 volts 21-inch cordless self-propelled 3-in-1 gas or cordless mower with a 7.5 amp hour kit, $499. So I guess this one does have good reviews. I don't have it personally, but I'm planning on getting either this one or the Cobalt. But yeah, they have good reviews. I mean, these are all very close to this, you know, as in power wise. You got the Joby 2 cycle gas 18-inch straight shaft string trimmer for $119. You got the Joby 2 cycle gas jet fan blower for $129. You got the Troy build 21-inch high wheel 3-in-1 gas mower for $269. Got the Honda 21-inch self-propelled 3-in-1 gas mower for $379. And then you got the Joby 40 volt jet fan blower 4 amp hour kit, $159. And I guess it's the same for this one. It's your choice. Yeah, same price. It's a 40 volt string trimmer 4 amp hour kit. And then you got the Joby 1600 PSI electric pressure washer for $109. You got the Joby 2900 PSI gas pressure washer for $319. And then even DeWalt is getting into the power tool business here, the garden tool business. So lately DeWalt been releasing a lot of these garden tools now. So and you know, that's perfectly fine, because a lot of us have DeWalt batteries in our house already with all those drills and reciprocating saws we buy. So why not just you know, just buy the tool? You're going to use the same battery. Got the DeWalt 20 volt max 13-inch string trimmer 5 amp hour kit, $179. You got the DeWalt 20 volt max blower 5 amp hour kit, 5.0 amp hour kit, $179. See, that's where the battery goes. Same battery. Then you got some sheds here. This one's 7x7 $649. It's a nice shed. And then you got a 10 by 8, $699. I don't know how this will last here in Arizona. It gets super hot here. Probably just melt away. It's not loading up. Okay. Rigid 21-inch or 21 degree framing nailer, $199. Got the rigid 4.5 gallon quiet compressor, $299. Rigid 18 volt brushless 2-tool 1.5 power kit, $159. This is a great deal if you want to get into a platform and don't spend a lot of money. If you're DIY or if you're just starting on the professional field, this is a great tool. It'll get you by. And these are great vacuums, by the way, too. Everybody uses them on the professional field. Rigid 14 gallon wet and dry vacuum, $89.97. And you get the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 18 volt brushless 2-tool with 2-tool 5 amp hour kit, $379. So it does include 2 batteries, I guess. Just trying to see if they include the 2 batteries or not. Anyways, intelligent brilliant power brushless motor. Yeah, 2 5 amp hour batteries. So this does include the 2 batteries. It's a great deal. It says plus you get a free a 5 amp hour battery, which is that's why you're getting, I guess, the 2. See, it says right there, free 5 amp hour battery, free 2-pack of 1.5 amp hour battery. So if you buy this, you get a 2-pack of these batteries. Milwaukee M12 12 volts 2-tool 1.5 amp hour kit for $129. Just a great deal. Plus you get those 2 batteries. Got the Milwaukee Shockwave Impact Duty bid set, $19.97. You got the DeWalt 20 volt max battery with a 3 amp hour kit, $119. You got the DeWalt Max Fit 32 piece driving bit set, $9.97. The Joby 18 volt impact driver 1.3 amp hour kit, $99. Not a bad drill if you're gonna start. Joby 18 volt hammer drill and driver 1.5 amp hour kit, $109. So this does come with 2 batteries. And this one does 2, I guess. Yeah. And this is not brushless. I don't think it's brushless. Doesn't say. You get the Makita LXT 18 volt brushless 2-tool 4 amp hour kit. So it does include 2 batteries, I guess. Just make sure here. Yep, 2 4 amp hour batteries. Usually if they're on the picture, they'll include it. Makita LXT 18 volts 6.5 circular saw with for $99. Got the Husky 111 piece mechanics tool set for $59.97. It's on sale. Got a 22 ounce hammer, face framing hammer, $17.97. Sorry, I'm moving this screen around everywhere. Porter cable 16 gauge finished nailer kit, $119. Porter cable 6 gallon compressor, $99. And this is the item to buy if you're looking for a compressor and some nail guns and staples. I'll definitely recommend this kit. It's a better buy. Porter cable 6-gallon compressor combo kit, $199. Did see this at the store the other day. Looks pretty good. I do have another video coming up either later today or tomorrow. Shopping at Home Depot. So don't forget to stay tuned for that. It says bulk price savings. See more when you buy in bulk. Save more when you buy in bulk. Got some ladders down here. Some technology for the house. Got some racks. Husky 3-tier heavy duty steel storage shelf, $129. A Husky 4-tier heavy duty storage shelf, $169. Looks like that's it. Yep, that's it. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, tool deals.